In less than 24 hours, they've surrounded us in the form of clouds. It is unknown if they are of extraterrestrial origin. This broadcast is to inform you of. They hide in the clouds, impersonating anything that falls. Avoid rain, snow, and all public settings until further notice. They will breach in through the form of liquid. And if contact has been made, the body will shut down. Bone, skin, teeth, eyes will rapidly decay. For your safety, please carry out the following instructions. Don't make noise. They will hear everything.
If you are seen, no one can help you.